wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys, and welcome back. And like you noticed, yup, I made a new intro because a few of you been asking me to update it, and I did. So I included the hydro sport, the island hopper, and definitely the jet skis, and that's exactly what we're doing today. And like you notice, we're on the east side, all over Marina. And like you can also notice, it's only the boys because the girls didn't want to come due to the fact that the water is still cold. And yep, the girls were smart to stay home because the water is still cold. But not for us. We're the man. We can do this. So let's go with the show en el agua. And also to add to the weather situation, you're gonna see that it's still cloudy. So the water's gonna feel like ice sprinkles. And like you notice, today I'm taking out what I like to call the Cadillac on the water, the FX. And Joel's driving the GP. And if it's up to me, comfort over speed, I definitely take comfort. That's why I like driving the FX. And it's also a much drier ride. But talking about ride, look at this beauty right here. And right now we're cruising by all over Sandbar, and even though it's cloudy and a little chilly, there's still people here hanging out. But I'm gonna say goodbye for now, but we'll be back later on. And now we just got out of the idle zone and back to normal operating speed, so it's time to open up the throttles a little bit. And the water is cold. Well guys, and in case you're wondering, yep, we're heading down south because a few friends of mine are hanging out at a new spot. Well, a new spot for the videos, but I've been there a long time ago. So it's time to check them out, see what they're up to. And the ride down here is taking over an hour long because we're riding through the idle zone that they come in effect between November all the way up to April. So remember to keep your eyes open for the signs so you won't get a ticket. And once again, we're cruising down by beautiful port of Miami and getting near downtown Miami and Bayside. And like you can see, the sky is still cloudy. I thought it would clear up by now, but it hasn't. And we're not gonna stop because we're not afraid to get a little wet on the top. Which one? No. And definitely riding the jet skis, it could be lots of fun, but it's very hard to record and keep the camera lens free of water. Like you see, that's why the video looks a little fuzzy. And we're getting closer and closer to our destination. And we have made it. And to my surprise, there's a lot of boaters already here, enjoying a little bit of fun in the sun, even though it's hiding from us today. And I guess this is a new definition for girls just want to have fun in the sun. And if you guys are here locally from Miami, you know the area, right? Yep, this is the Miami Marine Stadium where the boat show used to be. And I never knew there were so many boaters here hanging out on the weekends, especially today that is kind of cloudy and a little windy. But there's plenty of people here, and here's my friend, so we're gonna stop by and see what he's up to. And like you notice, I beach the jet ski a little different than everybody else does. I like to do it backwards because the back of the jet ski is a metal plate right under the jet, and like that, if there's any rocks on the sand, they won't scratch the Joko on the ski. The only thing, it takes a little bit more work because you have to lift the ski and place it on the sand versus riding it up. And like you can tell, my friend online loves loud music, like you can see on his boat. So far so good. What do you guys think about this spot? I haven't been here over, I would like to say 5 years, because I normally will come here, but only hang out by Russet Pelican, the little island by the front, not come all the way back here. But look at this, to my surprise, there's a lot of people hanging out on the back. So maybe next time I take out the big hydro, I come hang out with you guys back here. The only thing, if you guys are planning to come back here, especially if you're a jet skier, this whole area, it's idle zone. So please be careful so you don't get a ticket. And yep, the music you hear is Align's boat overpowering everybody else's.
Alright, go ahead, pick it up. Start with the front. We'll go back here. Bueno, lo vemos.
They're gonna stay here, and we're gonna get going and take one more cruise around the Miami Marine Stadium.
Third boat.
Also, by the way, tell me what you think about the new intro for the video. The other day, I put it up on Instagram, and a lot of people liked it. And if you didn't see it, it's because you don't follow me on Instagram. So, if you want to keep on the daily, make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And now also, TikTok. Yep, you heard it, TikTok. But the only thing is, I'm not going to be dancing around. I'm just going to post my daily activities and maybe some throwback stuff on there for you guys to enjoy. And talking about enjoying, if you're liking this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And by the way, I would like to welcome all the new subscribers for this month to the channel. And also, a lot of people have been reaching out to me to organize like a little jet ski run around Miami. That sounds like a good idea and a good excuse to hang out on the water. The only thing is, I'm gonna need help organizing it. So, if you wanna come along and help me organize it, go ahead and send me a direct message or an email, and we can plan it for this summer. And also, my fellow boaters, I'm not leaving you guys behind. I got something in plan for you too. And by the way, you're gonna find out is by keeping up with the post on Instagram or on YouTube community posts. But now we're gonna work our way down to all over and check out how the party was going there. But before that, we cruised by two popular islands here in Miami, and I think I found a hidden treasure.
I think we just found the next sandbar. Look at this, guys.
But all that and more is coming up tomorrow, so stay tuned for the next video.